of specialists providing crucial support in accounting, tax, audit, and licensing. As Babylon 2K evolves, it now integrates AI to empower accountants, entrepreneurs, business enthusiasts, and beyond. With the firm motto of timely business advice, Mike's amplifies the ethos of modern corporate leader, driven, dynamic, and dedicated. His work in accounting profession and his contribution to society underscore her mission of simplifying tax practices and business procedures. Okay, without further ado, I would like you to introduce Mr. Mike Aguirre.
Marianne, thank you. Do you hear me? Is my audio audible?
Yes, so bigyan ko lang sir ng konting overview paano nga ba tayo nagkakilala. We attended one of the event I think last year, December if I'm not mistaken.
January.
Sa Makati. January. And then right after that, nasundan to ng second meeting natin sa launching ng Top 100. And then, so on and so forth. So, ayan. So, again, without further ado, Mr. Mike Aguirre. Take it away, sir.
Okay, hello everyone. Again, thank you for having me here. I am based in... Wait, may nag-echo. Okay. Hindi, may nag-echo sa akin. May nag-echo ba on our side? Okay. So again, thank you for having me. Thank you, Miss Marianne, for inviting me to your community, and hopefully my presentation would give value to you and your community, and hopefully after the presentation you get something new and something that would empower everyone in their in their profession, whether you are working, not currently working, or looking for some more opportunities. I think this session is for you. Okay, so I'll give you a little bit of again, I think Ms. Marian already introduced me and gave you already a context, or more or less the profile of who I am. It's correct. I met Miss Marian a few months ago, and I was really looking forward to be here in your community. So let me just share my screen. All right. Okay. So before I proceed, is anybody here? I mean, is your first time to attend in my session? Maybe you can type yes or no. Yes, if you're first time, or maybe more if this is your second time. Okay. Okay, so almost everyone is saying yes. So hello to everyone. I'm Mike Aguirre. No, I'm actually a practitioner like Miss Yan. No, I am in the accounting profession, and I started my venture, my journey in the first as an employee, and then later on as I started also my firm UHYML Aguirre, and this time we're starting a new venture in the AI. Okay, but it's not actually AI that we are going to talk about most of these things, no, for tonight's session. Okay, yes, anyone here in the attending from the province? Maybe you type 1 from outside Metro Manila. Yeah, I can see some people here, Jubela, Danielle. How about people from overseas, outside the Philippines? Maybe type 2. Overseas, so I would know. I would know how if I speak Tagalog or English, okay, or Bisaya. So there's no someone. No? There's nobody from the overseas. Okay, and maybe one last question is there anybody here who are um, like freelancers? Okay, maybe type number 2. If you are freelancers, meaning you don't have full-time job, or if you are working, maybe number 3, no, if you are working. So I can see a lot of freelancers. Yeah, I think someone actually recognized me. Okay, sense. All right. So without again, let me continue. Thank you. Just actually, so what you can expect, no? This is what you can expect. So we'll be discussing about a few things. Of course, my objective for tonight, I hope I will be able to empower you as an accountant and all other entrepreneurs, no, in the country, especially those in the remote areas. Okay. My proposed agenda is I will probably be discussing a little bit of decentralization and then the future of accounting, and then we'll have a demo about our platform. Hopefully, the platform will give you maybe more learnings for you to be more efficient, for you to handle more accounts, whether your accounts is local or abroad. Okay, I hope because we've tested it, so we'll be sharing later on. I think Lalaine can already share the prompts. So these prompts will be your guide. Pero wag yung Lalaine, masyado siyang malaki. All right. So that prompts. Okay, we will try later on those prompts. And because we think that the prompts would be the best way for you to try our platform. Okay. All right, and then we'll ask everyone about your takeaways and a little bit of okay, how do we go forward? Okay. All right. So imagine a world where records are accessible to all. Okay. Meaning accessible, there's nobody that controls it. Okay, because the reason why we started Babylon is typically there is an inefficiency in terms of the accounting service. Why is that? No, we think that the accounting service is too costly in the Philippines. So when the cost of service is too high or burdensome, the product is also overpriced. Okay, so that's the premise. But if the service is, I would say efficient, meaning cost efficient, then the product of the entrepreneurs will be affordable to everyone. Okay, so the reason why we are promoting or advocating, our advocacy actually is to decentralize availability of accountants. Most of the accountants are actually they have office space. They are in the city. Okay. So of course, if you go to the city, the cost is high because of the way to maintain the company, the firm, the people. But if we have people like you are everywhere. You don't have office, meaning you are still producing. You're contributing the economy even wherever you are in the Philippines. So I think that's where the community of Coach Yan, is advocating, and I'm very thankful that you have this kind of community, to also provide value not only to to your family but to the community, to your community, and to the country, and even to our profession itself, because it makes our profession, an accounting profession, very flexible. Whether there's a crisis or no crisis, accounting service is still there. And whether you are even visiting the office of the client or not visiting the client, there's still a way for you to to render the service. Actually, that's what we have proven during the pandemic. So that's why we are here. Okay, so the typical rendering of service, as I mentioned to you, actually we're the way it's being projected here or presented here is your financial system. But probably in terms of accounting, okay, the financial system, you have to go to the bank, you have to, normally you have to go to the bank and deposit money or you borrow money. The same thing with accounting. Normally you go to the big city, okay, especially if you are in trouble, no, you need someone to, let's say you have an issue in your accounting, or your compliance. You have to ask someone, okay, to help you. And normally when you are getting an appointment, you have issue because normally big accounting firms, they will ask you to wait. Okay, whereas where everyone like you are empowered to handle accounting works, wherever you are, there's an available, an ample accountants who are ready to service the clients. Again, wherever you are situated in the country. That's what we are advocating. And when there is this kind of supply, meaning a ready supply, I think there is no, in terms of the economics, no, there is no, I would say, surge in terms of the cost. Or we can manage actually the surge of cost to render accounting service. Okay, and we prove that actually. Okay, why? Especially if the accountants, let me just give you a little background. If the accountants are based in like, let's say you are in Cebu, and the accountants is based in the city center in Cebu, but you are like 5 hours away from Cebu, okay, and you need to engage an accountant. Sometimes you are not really confident getting an accountant in the area because maybe there's an issue about the quality. There's an issue as to the availability of the accountant. But if you have this kind of platform, okay, where accountants, no, by the way, AI.Babylon 2K or Babylon 2K actually have ready accountants. You can be a member there as well. And we have ready accountants to service everyone in the country. So that's what we're trying to promote. So number one, you are avoiding already costs, okay, to transport the accountant because the accountants are already there. You don't have to worry about the hotels or airfare because the accountants are already there in the vicinity. Okay. And if they are not available, you can actually, in the system, you can actually find or search nearest accountants in the area. Okay, that's what we are advocating for. Okay. So I again, as I mentioned, you have, if it's decentralized, there is an efficiency, there is a cost reduction, there is an increased transparency, just like blockchain. So in our case, if you can actually access your records, your records, your files, more or less, you can actually gain trust to your service provider. By the way, before we close the session later, we have some surprises for you. No, we have I think some freebies, free ebooks. I hope also later we can also offer some treats. No, maybe 5 people will be giving away. What is that? Maybe 5 one-piece chicken joy. If you post us, okay, you post your selfie. Maybe your selfie in your social media and just tag Babylon 2K, whether in LinkedIn or in Facebook. Okay. And we can actually have it ready for you in courtesy of Share Treats. Share Treats is like it's like a digital voucher, so you can claim your Jollibee or McDonald's anywhere in the country. Okay, 5 of them. No, so just if while listening, take a photo. No, maybe a photo of Miss Yan and ourselves, the speaker. Okay, and tag Babylon 2K. Okay. All right. So, what is the future of accounting? Again, the future of accounting is just like what you're doing. The accounting is like available everywhere, and we prove this. I myself, being a member of TMAP, the Tax Management Association of the Philippines here, member of PICPA, member of ACPAP, and even member of UHY globally. Accounting service is well in demand. In fact, I just went to Switzerland and Netherlands. There is a shortage of accountants. Okay, and what is the main requirements for you to service there? Of course, number one, you have to speak the language. Second, you must have the knowledge or the skills, the technical skills in accounting. And our system actually can provide that. With AI, there is no limit, there is no boundary. Okay, whether actually you can just, for example, the question later on is about IFRS. It's ready in our system. And all you have to do is convert that or translate that into Swiss or Dutch or even to your local dialect. We'll prove that in a while. Okay, so that's the future of accounting. It should be, that automation or automating complex tasks, here is one of them. It can be actually used for personal finance advice. We'll prove that to you in a while. Okay, it can enhance fraud detection. Actually, the enhanced fraud detection, actually, if you can systematize your system like banks and you add parameters, where you can track, let's say, an outliers on unusual transaction on a weekend, for example, or in the evening. Okay, then you can actually detect some irregularities. I think if you are a security bank, I'll probably share something. If you're a security bank user or account holder, normally security bank, they stop their. You cannot view your balance after 9 o'clock. Okay, for some security reason, you can transact, but that's kind of one thing of being automating, or you can automate your fraud detection capabilities. All right. So let's go to the main part. Okay, so I was given like 45 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, so this is Babylon 2K. All right, AI.Babylon 2K. You can actually, I would encourage, if you have laptops or computers ahead of you or in front of you, try accessing AI.Babylon 2K. Okay, maybe before we go forward, Lalaine, if we can play the video. Let me unshare and then let's play a video. I think the video will take probably 2 minutes, no?
What if accounting could be more precise, more intelligent, and still deeply human? Welcome to ai.babylon2k.org. We're transforming accounting with AI precision and human expertise, unleashing tailored solutions for tax, accounting, licenses, audit, and alike. Whether you're an entrepreneur, accountant, or consultant, our platform adapts to your needs wherever you are, turning challenges into opportunities with just a few clicks. AI-powered efficiency meets human-driven insight, ensuring every number isn't just calculated, but optimized for your success. Join us at ai.babylon2k.org, where accounting evolves and every number tells your story.
Okay. Thank you for that, Lelaine. So we are here. Just to give you probably a little bit of how the system works. Okay, first things first. The reason why we're presenting this to you. Okay, number one, later on there will be a feature where accountants can earn something as well through this AI. Now everyone can enroll and be part of the resources and be part of the accredited accountants of Babylon 2K and nationwide. And you can earn actually without not doing a lot of things, but all you have to do is be our accredited, be that accountant in our area, okay, and answer or be the resource person to answer queries. And for every question, normally there is a fee. No, for example, a question is. We'll give you an example later. A question of let's say withholding tax, and there's an already answer in our AI, but that person or the client wanted to talk to the person, meaning the human. So, and the human is, let's say the client is based in Zamboanga, and you are the person in Zamboanga who can speak the language. Okay, so for every query, there is a charge per hour. Let's say per hour it depends with your classification. Let's say $20, $30, $40, $50, up to $100. Okay, depending on your capabilities. And normally we split the fees. Now 55% goes to the person who would handle the question, and 45% stays with the system. No? We'll explain how the fees is being split. Okay, and then more than that, if the system is already available, there will be question like I need to register a business in Zamboanga, for example, and answer me provide me the answer or guides in Chabacano, for example. Anyone here from Zamboanga or Sulu, or Tawi-Tawi, system can provide that to you. And when you render the service, you will be the one to do the legwork, register the business in Zamboanga. Okay, so you still get the majority of the fee, more or less 55 to 60% of the fees. 40% stays with us, with the system. Okay, one thing that probably one thing we can highlight with our AI is in terms of privacy or confidentiality. Okay, most of the clients, they have concerns in using AI because the confidential data is being exposed to public. No, in our case, it's pretty much secured. You can see here. Okay. I don't know, if you're using ChatGPT, for example, are you confident, or are you like, don't you have doubt like exposing your database, okay, or your Excel files or your Word files in ChatGPT, and you think it won't be exposed to public? But in our system, we have that capability because we have our own server, and we are our system is more or less like a one-way street. No, it's unilateral, meaning if you upload your information, we don't have that yet of capability of storing that in our language model, meaning it just goes to our server. Okay, but we keep the confidentiality of the files. I think that's one thing, but you can probably check in ChatGPT as well. Okay, there are 10 things. Okay, you can ask question. If there are questions, you can post questions again in our chat box. So we will go to the most important part. There are like 10 ways Beth can empower you as a user. Okay, we will have a how do you call this, is an illustration for you. Maybe Laline, if you can actually share our, the prompts. No, I think the first one. Okay, but before we go to the illustration, let me just highlight what are the things that we will be covering in the next few months. No, our target date is November. Later on, in AI.Babylon 2K, we will have voice interaction. Okay, meaning you can command. I mean, you can have the prompt in a voice format. I mean, let's say, like in Viber or in WhatsApp, you have your voice, or in WeChat, right? So later on, we will have it available as well in our system. And maybe one more thing that we will have to integrate is the find an accountant. Like I mentioned to you, number 6, no? Finding an accountant wouldn't be a hindrance to our entrepreneurs, okay, or to our clients or potential customers. So meaning they can find you, especially you, no? So once you attend, no, we will have to. What we will do is we will be accrediting number of accountants nationwide, okay, and then if you're in our system, you normally have a wallet, and they can ask questions, and then you can be actually you can accept jobs, no, in our platform, whether that is a one-time task or a recurring task. Okay, so let's have a few things, no. This is the main part of our discussion. Okay, so we actually shared with you the prompts. So there are like 4 or 5 prompts there. I think 4. And we will tell you on how we can use the system. Now, for example, the question here is email. There's a question, there's an email. Normally, when you answer the email, typical accountant, what you will do? Normally, you will try to create a draft. But if the question is too technical, okay, what you will do, you'll go to the books, you'll go to Google, okay, or other resources. No, others, they have other AI as well. You go to ChatGPT, but ChatGPT won't give you an exact answer or a more closer answer, because ChatGPT is more or less general. Ours is pretty much localized, Philippine-based only. Okay, so that I think that's the main advantage of our system. So probably we'll give you, actually we gave you there the prompt. So if you have a laptop, no, you can try, but we'll give you a demo in a while, no. So number 1 is quick email response. Number 2 is research. So when we say research, let's say the question is about separation pay, or let's say the prizes won by our Olympian Carlos Yuloy, whether it's taxable or not. That's a research thing. And not only about research, are there like credible references, and the references are like reliable. So in our case, we have citation. Citation in legal terms, these are references, no, that you can refer to whenever you're asked, no, or you're given an answer, and that answer can be in the form of BIR, I mean the law, the BIR regulation, circular, memo, jurisprudence, Supreme Court ruling, CTA, things like that. Number 3, there are things that actually you can post in your Facebook, especially if you are projecting yourself as a thought leader. So for example, a question about, let's say, electric vehicles. Is electric vehicle importation in the Philippines subject to excise tax? Okay, and you want to write something about electric vehicles. So our system is actually the right guide for your platform for you. And you can actually come up with a command. Later on, we'll show you that command or prompt. And then the output is something you can actually post in social media, and you have already your content, right? Number 4, we already mentioned about connecting an accountant, connecting with on-demand accountants or freelancers. Number 5, very important, tax planning strategies. Now, especially question like how do they minimize tax? No, but of course, this one needs, normally this kind of service require the presence of accountant. No, so they cannot, the system alone will not be able to answer that. But you can, but it's not actually something advisable. Same thing with tax filing and support. Now, later on, we will have this available also in our system. Like, for example, filing, you're filing 1601, 1601E, 1601C, 0619E, 1601C, VAT, income tax, fringe benefit, no? We will have this kind of support. Accounting and payroll, in our demonstration later, we will have a demo on payroll. Audit support. In fact, the audit support package is in our system. For example, you need an audit program for a certain account, whether that is an assurance or a non-assurance service, it's also available there. Licensing is about anything about corporate, from secretarial works all the way to getting a license with, let's say, SEC, BIR, City Hall, PAGCOR, BSP, NIA, ERC. It's quite broad. Okay, and then tax congress and meeting place. We will have our own community in the future. Okay, meaning if you have questions and the question like maybe interesting question and you want to also hear, other than AI, you want to also hear answers from other luminaries or other accountants. So that answers actually will be published in the form of our community. Okay, so we will have a demo. Okay, so probably Lalaine, we will have to share. I will unshare this and we will go to the AI alone. To the AI website, no? Maybe Lalaine, if you can share the first, maybe if we can open first so the first question is about quick email response. If you can open the first prompt, it's in the Word format.
This one.
No, I think we have to show first the in the Word format.
You just share it.
Are there any questions here? You can ask questions. So this is the Word format. The first question is actually in the, maybe if you can enlarge the file, Lalaine. So here, actually we will be giving you 4 kind of, maybe you can remove that one first. Did you share this prompt to them?
Yes.
I think the first framework, AMY, that's the first framework. AMY stands for act, my request, and I is the instruction, or Y is you give me something like that. So this morning, actually okay, thank you, Miss Yan. Okay, so this morning I got actually this afternoon, I got an email, that email from a client. Okay, the question is, maybe if you can scroll down a bit, Lalaine, the question. This is a question from a client. It's a simple question. Hi, Sir Mike. Would like to check with you if a separation pay of an employee under PAGCOR licensing company are non-taxable or taxable. Please advise. Okay, so type me your answer without revealing the answer first. Maybe if you can share something, is it taxable or not? Anyone? Anyone would like to try? Is it taxable or not? Okay, Joey, taxable. How about the others? Correct, taxable. Okay, Melanie, taxable. Okay, how about the others? I only saw 3 of them who responded. Okay, so let's, I think most of the answers are taxable. Okay. Actually, the question there is, there's one guy who answered, one respondent, non-taxable. Actually, the question here is, there is a lacking info whether the separation is voluntary or involuntary. I think, Joel, you're right. Okay, it depends. If the separation pay is involuntary on the part of the employee, because you know what happened to PAGCOR, to especially Pogo. Pogo, they were they were shut down by the government. So it's involuntary on the part of the government, right? On the part of the employee. Okay, so this is a question. Can you go back to the prompt, Elaine? So the prompt, I want you to act as a seasoned accountant. So I just added actually here. Actually, that's me, who has a life purpose of empowering people and organizations to go stronger and smarter by providing clear and accessible accounting support. That's actually my life purpose. Through innovative technology and building a future where everyone has an equal opportunity. So what I did, I just copied this. For me, it's more than just numbers. It's about resilience, continuous learning, and evolving together. With each balance sheet, we're not just managing finances, we're making the world a better place one step at a time. So that's my life purpose. So I just added that in the prompt. And then second question is, what is the context? My request is to undertake a research on the email below from a client and prepare a response to the client. So this is a question. And then C, this is the instruction. You give me research on the query below or above topic about separation pay with relevant, applicable, and specific tax legal references in a footnote or citation format to be more credible to the readers. Also, please do this in an email response to the client, who is a PAGCOR licensee company. I would appreciate if the answer would be in this format or manner. So I provided the example here. This is the example, the prizes, awards given, ganyan, no? And you scroll down. So this one actually is a previous research of mine. I just attach here for clarity. And then if you look at the bottom, wait, hold on, Elaine. So I provided here sort of like references to substantiate non-taxability of gifts. Okay, from private parties to national artists who won medals at the Olympics. We can refer to the following, meaning winning prizes to Olympians are exempt due to the following. So you have the income tax exemption, the donor's tax exemption, scroll down. This is the ruling, and this is the ruling. So I just attached that for references. And C, we can copy everything. We copy that everything, Lalaine. That one, copy, okay? Everything there, we copy, and then we post to our Babylon 2K. So you can try as well, no? And maybe post your answer in the, so here, look, hold on. Lalaine, okay. So you can copy and maybe post your answer in the group chat, okay?
I send it.
And then we send. And then can you scroll down, Lalaine? I think we have the answers already. So it's a bit slow. It should be, it will take supposedly like a minute, no, or only seconds. So here's the answer. So there's an email already. All you have to do is copy that email. Okay, so the answer is there. Normally I just copy up to the from Dear Rowana. Okay, you copy that and you post that in your email, no, all the way down to the conclusion. For example, let's say the conclusion: if the separation pay is due to involuntary causes such as retrenchment, redundancy, okay, which causes that are beyond the control of the employee, it is exempt from income tax. So what we're trying to say here is, with AI, you can actually give a response, prepare a response to your clients in a few seconds or a couple of seconds, and you have the ready answer. Of course, all you have to do is find out whether the answers are credible or not before you post that in your email. Okay, if you think there is a doubt, maybe you can double check. You can ask AI to further enhance the answer. Okay, so any questions there? Did anyone try? Okay, if you have the access, actually all you have to do is copy. I think we have to share the link the first prompt,
Yes, I already shared it. Oh,
not the second
the
prompt.
second.
You know, the prompt where there is an AMY. I think 3A, it's
The ACDQ.
no AMY.
I already shared the first.
The first one.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you have that, you can actually post that in our AI.Babylon 2K. Okay, I think sorry, I forgot to mention. In Babylon 2K, there are 3 ways to use. Maybe if we can go back first, Lalaine, maybe if we can open a tab. So there are three ways to use actually our system. First, without registering it, no, you go to AI, Babylon 2K. No, in the next tab, AI.Babylon 2K. So you can use actually this one without even registering, but without signing up. But the problem here is there's a limit up to 20 words. Okay, question, but the answer is unlimited. Or the other way is you register even without paying, no, and you have 5,000 free token, and it's up to you when you actually the 5,000 will probably be good for the next 30 days. It's actually being replenished every 30 days. It's up to you how regular you're using it, but it's free for the next 5,000. But if you want a more unlimited, then of course you have to subscribe. But I think the subscription is a little bit, how much is about $16.99. Okay. So even without paying or getting the premium, it's still free. Okay. So can you go back to the, yeah. So here, if you register, this is actually the window for you to operate and use AI. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. I think the next one is, we'll just have the quick, no, we'll have 2 illustrations. The next one is, can you go to the prompt, ACDQ? This is maybe if we can share the prompt again to them. If you can try this as well. No, you can, all you have to do is just copy this, and there's already an answer at the bottom, you know, if you can answer that. Try that and register in Babylon. I think in this case, because the prompts is a bit long or a bit comprehensive, you have to register. And once you register, you would enjoy unlimited use, no, of our AI. So here, the question is simple. This one is for social media. Okay, the question is, here, if you can actually, there's another, I mean, the prompt or the framework, it depends. No, you can use any framework. It depends with your purpose or your intention. So in this case, there is a quote, no, and I think people, I mean, most of us, we like posting quotes. So I tried using quotes also. So in this case, the quote is about mindset. Okay, so you can copy actually. So what I did, it's the same thing. So ACDQ stands for act, context, deep think, and question. So the first question is, the act is, you know already, act as a marketing specialist and seasoned accountant. What is the context? Context is like, what is the sort of like your perspective? I want to write a LinkedIn post about the quote below. Okay, this is the quote, and you put there the quote. Deep think is for you to more or less, you're allowing AI to analyze further. Okay, how you can approach a copy for this campaign to optimize my monetization because you have an intention. So it depends with what your intention. And then Q is question. If you want further like response or better response, normally you ask questions. And in this case, I have a question at the bottom. Can you scroll down a bit, Lalaine? So this is a question. The question is about target audience, tone and style, call to action, okay, personal experience, and service offered. Okay, so you can actually answer. So for example, can you go up, Lalaine? Who are primarily aiming, so the target is who are your audience? Now, can you go to the question? So the question is target audience, who are your primary audience? So you can answer, they are startup entrepreneurs or organizations, okay, with operations in the city centers or across the country. And what is the tone and style? Normally, you can actually come up with appealing or heartwarming tone, or you can ask AI actually what kind of tone you would like to project. What's your call to action? In some cases, the AI would ask, what is your personal experience? In this case, for example, my business, no, I was not that successful at the beginning, something like that, something that would give you more emotions to your post, for example. Okay, so let me try. So can you copy the first up to question first, Lane? So we copy that from app, okay, and then to question. And then let's post to, yes, let's post in our AI. Okay. Actually, you can use that in the same thread or separate thread and then send. So definitely, as I mentioned to you, this because it allows question, there is already some questions. So all you have to do, since I already prepared the answer, just copy the answer to the question. Can you go back to the Word file? The Word there, and then copy that.
Okay.
And then copy and then post again in the here. And then send. So you have already. Okay, so this one, you have already content for your posting in LinkedIn. Okay, all you have to do is copy that. Now, if you want to modify, you can modify. So, but more or less, you can copy and post that in your LinkedIn. If you probably need an image, depends. Now you can find an image. Actually, in our system, the image is not yet available, but you can use all other like Canva. They have ready image. No, okay. So I think we will limit to two prompts only, but we will be giving you 3 or 4 prompts actually that we provided to you. You can try. Website, you can actually type in the. I think you are sending to only to Marian only.
Okay, I'm using this upon this website.
Website is ai.babylon2k.org. Okay. Any questions, or have you tried it? We provided actually, so we'll give you like a minute.
You can stop sharing.
Okay, so any questions there? If none, so Marian, okay, yeah. So thank you, Miss Marian. You provided the prompt. You can try it, no? I'm sure there is actually some more options. Now the third one is about payroll. I should have provided to you the. I think very quickly. Probably I can just show you the third option for payroll. Okay, this is accounting related. Can we just open that, Lane?
The price.
The RISE. RISE is about role, instruction. Can you scroll down? And then steps, and then end goal. So the end goal is to provide a separation pay to the client. This one is separation pay. Okay. Okay, so can you copy the lane? So can you go up? Can you go up a bit? Here, the situation is there's a separation. No, client actually is resigning due to absenteeism and tardiness. So meaning that's actually voluntary on the part of the employee. So it's taxable. Okay. So can you copy? This is the question. The question is, the instruction is calculate the separation pay. Scroll down the lane. Second, this is one step. First, number one, can you scroll down steps? Calculate the annual tax due. And then second, calculate the last month pay, the last pay. Third, any references. Fourth, provide payroll journal. Fifth, lesson. And then the question there is answer both in English and Ilonggo or Bisaya. So can you copy all the way to end goal? Okay, so if you copy that, then send. So normally AI will give you the tax due in the form of income tax format, and then the last pay, and then it will provide you payroll journal, and then it will give you answer both in English and Bisaya. Okay, so I'm not sure. It's a bit. It takes a while. Okay, so this one. Is it correct? Can you go to the prompt, Elaine? Why is not showing? Is there like command for Tagalog or Bisaya?
This
Okay, so this one. So there is a translation to Bisaya and also in English. Can you scroll up? There's a table. This is the payroll journal. Okay, and then the tax due is there. And then can you go up? So there's the legal references. Okay, these are the steps. Okay, so more or less, if the client would ask, now because we are dealing as an accountant, we're dealing with questions like compute the last pay, compute the payroll, or simply you have the payroll already and you want the AI to verify it. Okay, you just upload the data and have it validated there. Okay, that's more or less the value of having this kind of system. Okay, and you can actually, in a matter of minutes or seconds, you have the ready answer. Of course, all you have to do is verify, but more or less, we validated that the answer is correct. Okay, that's what we're trying to actually share with you on how the system would be able to help you. Okay, and maybe empower you and make you more efficient in reference to your to the way you render your jobs here in the Philippines and even abroad. Now, I think abroad, if you are doing bookkeeping, if you are handling bookkeeping jobs abroad, I think it would help you in the email because taxation, of course, taxation is foreign, but there are ways there are things that the system would be able to help you and all other means. No, but I think local taxation, accounting is pretty much general or universal. But taxation, it's local. Okay, so that's the only difference. All right, so I think we have to move on. That ends the illustration. So let me go back to my presentation. All right, so that's the live demo. Okay, we already discussed the enhancement. So I have a question for everyone because it's already 8 o'clock. I know I have only 45 minutes. But may I ask everyone, if you have your aha moments, your takeaways. Later on, I will discuss what's in it for you or for me. Okay. Or actually, I can entertain or ask or entertain 1 or 2 questions now before we close the session. And then I will turn over the floor to Miss Yan. Okay, and you can type in the chat if you have questions, or maybe if there you have aha moments, or if you have takeaways here.
Hi, hello sir Mike, good evening.
Yes.
Oo. Sir, query ko lang, normally kasi nasa tax, shall we say, it includes on the LOA, computation of VAT and output input tax. So shall we say, included ba yun sa ano? Included ba yun dito sa ano pa rin, sa lahat-lahat na ba with respect to the taxation of the Philippines?
Yes po. So,
Sabi, ma-issuean ako ng LOA, then it will guide you on how to respond with the queries of the examiner.
yes po, we can demonstrate that for you. Is it Joey, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, of course, the best answer is if you have a prompt. Okay.
Oo.
Probably because due to time constraint, we will demonstrate for you. So maybe Lalaine, if you can share the AI again. Okay, you can go to AI and just go directly there. So here, maybe we can type. Okay. Okay. So I received, for example, the prompt is I received an NOD, for example. So Joey, let's be advanced because you're talking about assessment. An NOD or notice of discrepancy amounting to, let's say, NOD, no? Okay, amounting to 1 million. Just an example. Amounting to 1 million with assessment focusing on, okay na yan, 1 million peso. Okay, with assessment on PPI, on VAT, focusing on VAT due to third-party assessment, due to third-party info matching. Okay, due to third-party info matching. Okay, please drop me. Of course, Joey, the more info you actually provide, the better the answer. Okay, please drop me a protest letter. Okay, a letter to the NOD, addressing the NOD, addressing the assessment in the NOD assessment is okay. Okay, with tax and legal jurisprudence. Okay, and in a footnote and citation format. Okay, so there.
That's it.
Send. So at the moment, Joey, that's the only inputs that we have now. But better if you do this in a prompt format. So normally it will prepare a letter for you. Okay, and then the nature of protest. So normally there are 2 kinds of protest: the reinvestigation and reconsideration. So actually, it can give you this kind of things. And then you have the footnotes and you have the jurisprudence. But you can expound. The more inputs you give, the better the answer, Joey.
Yes. Okay, thank you. I thank you, sir, for the and actually it's very beneficial to the, especially for the local bookkeepers, kasi normally yan ang nagiging problema kasi natin dito with taxation in our country. Thank you, sir. It's a big help. It's a big help. Thank you.
Yes po. So siguro maybe Lalaine, if you can go to the homepage of Babylon 2K. Yan. Pag bumaba po kayo dito, Joey, here do sa Babylon, AI.Babylon. Doon sa homepage niya, yung mga resources natin, Joey, here, sa baba pa. So there. We have resources from MIA, from CDA. So there, no? Ito, tingnan mo lang dyan kung alin yung kailangan mo. SSS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, Bangko Sentral, Insurance Commission. So there's a lot of things actually we can cover. You know. Okay, any other questions? Thank you, Joey.
Yes, thank you, thank you. Sir, question uli. So, with yung kanina kasi nasabi mo na we can like as a for part of a league work, especially when it comes to the registration of from single to corporation. So any businesses, shall we say, parang kami yung authorized partner or accredited partner ng Babylon 2K. Then it depends on the percentage that is being allocated, and shall we say in the pricing based on the pricing of the platforms.
Yes, po. The fees, for example, no? Let's be specific. For example, may taga saan ba kayo, Joey? Where you
Bicol ako.
You're in Bicol right now.
Yes, sir.
So for example, sa Bicol, sa Legazpi may gusto magpatayo ng OPC. Normally our fees for OPC is 40 to 50,000. Okay? So siyempre, hindi naman kami pwedeng pumunta ng Bicol just to register that kind of company. Diba? So you are the nearest person to register a business in Bicol. We split the fees, normally 55 to 60%. No, normally we start at 55% because you are the doer. No, you are the one doing the job. Okay? 40%, normally kasi meron kaming someone who would be guiding you, meron kaming department who would be guiding you. So we will allocate some fees there and some fees also to the platform. Kaya umaabot siya ng 55 to 60%, Joey.
Okay,
Tama ba?
okay. Thank you.
Pero yan, actually, at the moment, in AI, what is available so far is ito muna, yung basic research muna. But later on, in November, we will open the accounting, the accountants or the partner accountants or accountants in the country. Of course, with the help of coach yan. Okay? Yun po. Any other questions? Kung wala na, I'll probably go back to the session. Hearing none, I think it's already 8:20 as well. Okay, I think overtime na kami yan.
Hindi pa naman, sir. It's okay. Thank you so much. Guys, do you have any question or again, aha moment? So again, sabi nga natin nasa digital era na tayo, and if you really want to expand, I think, di ba, expand your services then, you have to be ready on the latest trend. So sometimes, yung community naman kasi natin naging platform for question. So this time, kung gusto talaga ng confirmation, pwede nyo tanungin si AI, and then sa community, and then meron din talagang market sa local. So, yun yung pinaka-ano dun yung business nyo din, kahit sa local, sa community nyo, matulungan nyo din through this platform. Okay, so sige nga, pa-type kung interesting or nakatulong tong session natin, pa-type naman ng yes naman. Pa-type kung may natutunan tayo tonight. Ayan, interesting daw. Ayan, so baka yung iba hindi pa alam si AI Ayan, okay, yes na yes. And again, yan, may mga future project, and good thing about Sir Mike, nagkausap kami, nakita na kami niyan. Marami siyang connection. So if you want, yun ang purpose naman natin, to grow our network para mas mapadali yung business natin. So Chamber of European, tama ba? European Chamber of Commerce ba, sir? May connection ka dyan. So yung mga needs natin na para mapadali ang life natin, nandito lang sa ating community. That's the good thing. Ayan, pwede nyo muna i-scan. Tapos meron ako nakita, nag-post na sila para sa isang one-piece chicken joy. Kung gusto nyo dalawahin, dalawa nyo post para 2, tas 3 post para maging 3-piece chicken joy siya.
Yes.
May question po dito, pang local tong app na to, Coach Yan?
At the moment is full local. No? Anything about accounting, tax, audit, it's local. But for international, of course, there are things like
IRS, of course.
accounting is yan. May question, for example, like what is the journal entry? Definitely, kaya ng system natin. Kasi the Philippine Financial Reporting Standards is quite international. So it is also part of our database. Okay, so before I
Future.
end, Miss Yan, I just probably plug yung mga ebook natin, no? So we
Yes,
have
sure po.
ebook. Teka lang. Okay, so we have free ebook. This ebook is actually about your managing tax issues in the Philippines, no? We have also EOPT, ease of paying taxes, but this one is a paid version, no? We have I think it's about 60 to 70 pages, no, for the ease of paying taxes. And if you have further questions, this one local and international, you can join our Viber community as well. Okay, questions about anything about doing business in the Philippines or anywhere in the world, because myself, again, we are a member of UHY and we have presence in more than 100 countries. Okay.
Ayan, i-scan nyo yung ano. Gusto ko mag-join doon. Sino may Viber? Join tayo doon, no? Join tayo doon. Scan nyo na. Punta tayo sa Viber para pag may mga tanong. Tsaka event, yung sa mga local event nyo. Tama ba, sir? Ayan,
Yes,
nandun na ako sa
also-
Viber.
Most of our local events actually are, I would say, free or reasonable because we are our PRC license for holding webinars or seminars. Merong cap yung pricing yan. So it doesn't go really more than 500. Bibihira yung lumalabas ng 500. But in most cases, it's free.
Yan. Gusto namin yung free. Basta everything free. Maganda yan. Tama ba, guys? Sino gusto ng free? Ayan. Yan talaga tayo eh. Ayan. Nag-join na ako dun sa Viber, sir. But before that, sir, I'll give you something then, of course, a certificate. Pwede po bang pa-share ng ating certificate? Okay. Basahin lang natin. Okay, Certificate of Appreciation. This certificate is proudly present to Mr. Michael Mike L. Aguirre, CPA, MBA, MSc, in recognition of your invaluable contribution as guest speaker on the topic, Empowering Filipino Entrepreneurs Through Decentralized Accounting Solution. We greatly appreciate your experts, insights, dedications, and the knowledge you share in helping Philippine entrepreneurs understand the power of decentralized accounting. Your presentation has empowered our attendees with innovative solutions, inspiring them to adopt more efficient practice and grow their businesses. Thank you for your commitment to supporting entrepreneurship and innovation given this 19th of September 2024. In behalf of Accounting Peoples and Elite Community, thank you so much, Sir Mike. Yan. All right. Please don't forget pala, don't leave. And sir, meron ba tayong event? I think niluluto pa. Tinitingnan ko po yung schedule natin. Tama ba? Cebu?
December 3.
Sino dyan nasa Cebu? Matay naman ang mga bistak dyan. So,
Yeah.
i-follow nyo pala si Sir Mike sa LinkedIn. Teka, bigay ko yung link and then tag Mr. Mike sa LinkedIn. And then, of course, don't forget, nomination ka ng Top 100. I nominate Mr. Mike Aguirre this 2024 for his invaluable contribution to our community, especially sa mga accountant. So, paglakihin natin yung network natin sa mga kapwa natin, accountant, CPA, kasi dyan talaga nagsisimula yung gaan ng buhay natin. So, I'm really happy nakakonect ako kay Sir Mike. Lumalabas kasi pagka-extrovert ko talaga naman, Sir Mike. Ayan, pag nakita kami, picture, sama-sama. Ayan, so, anything else? So, we will just plug. And don't forget, 2 days na lang po, guys. Sir Mike, dyan ka lang at magpa-plug lang tayo ng ating mga upcoming events sa
No worries, no
community. So, 2 days na lang po ang ating build you. So, share ko lang po. So, we have now, I think, ang dami ng students, I think 50 plus and counting. So, for those of you interested to the bookkeeping of property management build you, 2 days na lang po. It's 9 a.m. 1 day na nga lang pala. Oo, 1 day na lang pala kasi Friday na bukas. So, last day na po bukas for, ayan, may oras tayo. Nakaka-tense naman yung oras. 1 day na lang. Ayan, kasi 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. magka-cut off na po kami bukas. So, Tita Maya is expert on property management build you. So, if you watch her, tawag dito, yung free webinar niya last time, she can earn $25 per hour for being a property manager and bookkeeper accountant. So, andyan naman yung mga syllabus dyan, yung course outline, and ayan po yan. So, andyan sina admin to share po yung link. And then, of course, next week, kung di kayo aabot, kung gusto nyo naman ng Afolio, Ayan, property management, bookkeeping course using Afolio. Pareho po yung software ng property management. So, magkapatid naman po sila. So, next week naman po yan, kay Coach Neil, 8 days. So, for those of you, iba nakakuha na kasi ng Belgium, gusto Apollo naman. So, may bibigay din ata si Coach Neil na recording about QuickBooks. Ayan. So, don't forget, paki-tap lang po ako yung mga ano natin, mga parating. And then, of course, upcoming, ito yung most awaited nilang course din. Kasi ito yung day shift. So, ayan na po. Nandito na po yung waiting list for those of you who wants to enroll in AU Accounting, October 27 and 28. Abang po kayo sa early bird para mas maka-discount. Alright? So, ayan. Medyo, ano ka lang ang ating Coach A. Of course, Coach Tita Maya and Coach Neil in the house. So, and the next will be, wala pa po, mga free webinar po next week. Sino ba next week natin? Ay, bukas pala. Meron po kaming Power BI free webinar ulit, guys. Bukas ulit 7 p.m. kay Sir Abs naman. So, tuloy-tuloy lang po ang ating pag-aaral at connection sa mga great speaker sa Sir Abs bukas. Sir, baka may po-promote pa kayo? Any pages, events?
I think Lalaine already posted in the group, our Twitter, our Facebook, and LinkedIn. Actually, we have also Instagram.
Oo.
Yeah,
Sa newsletter, subscribe kayo kasi nakasubscribe ako sa newsletter nila. Ang daming magandang tips, special sa mga deadline and updates. So, babasa-basa kayo yung newsletter nila. Nag-subscribe ako doon. Tama, sir?
Yes, our newsletter, I think we do that once a week.
Yes.
Of course, definitely, mostly doing business support in the Philippines, hindi lang accounting. Anything about SEC, BSP, Insurance Commission, NIA, all other things, because our clientele is quite broad in terms of our coverage. So, hindi lang yung purely tax, coach yan.
Yes, ang dami na. Nagbabasa-basa po ako pag nakikita ko. And yung mga events talaga. Yan. Ano tayo, updated tayo sa mga latest event. Especially mga free. Again na yan. Thank you so much. And then let's have a picture naman, guys. Sa favorite part, lalabas na po sila. Tara, lumabas na tayo at magpakita. Show up naman tayo, guys. And ito naman yung way natin to say thank you kay Sir Mike.
Hello, hello.
I-follow niyo siya. Ang dami niyang event. Ang dami niyang ganap. Nasaan ka ba ngayon, sir? Parang nasa ibang lugar.
Right now, nasa office na ako.
Okay. Kasi parang last time nakita ko nag-travel ka somewhere.
Yeah, last week, I was out of the country. Kararating ko lang.
Europe, di ba, sir? Tama ba ako?
Yes. I was in Europe. I was in Switzerland and Netherlands for the last, I think, 10 days.
Sana all nasa Switzerland, no? Yan yung pangarap kong bansa eh. Sana all pag ganun-ganun lang, no? Sana all na lang ako. Ayan, picture tayo, guys. Sino pwede mag-picture from the... Ayan, mga nag-share. Shelly anak. Yan. Picture tayo. Para post natin, and then may nagtatag na kanina, may kayo, rewards sa magpipicture. Ay, magtatag. Okay? Sino magpipicture, guys? Anyone? Sige, smile na lang kami, ha? Ay, mga staff ni Sir yun, para mga Gen Z ang mga ito. Nakapig na eyeglasses, Gen Z. Ba? Saan kami si Smile?
Sir Mike,
Ay, kilala ka, Sir Mike, Jenny E. Sir Mike daw.
Hello.
Yan.
travel na lang eh.
Yes.
Yes. Buti naalala mo pa ako.
Ayan, again, thank you so much. Don't forget, bukas po ulit, maganda ulit Power BI. Kung gusto nyo matuto ng sa advanced din Excel. Free po yan bukas, and then next Thursday po ulit. Tuloy-tuloy lang po tayo. And more speaker pa po sa October. Again, thank you so much, Mike and the team sa mga nag-assist. Let's maximize the power of AI through Babylon. And collaboration tayo, okay? Thank you, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
everyone. Okay, bye.